Have you ever opened a trading app, watched a stock jump 3% in a day, and thought, okay, if I just catch a few of these, I could actually get ahead? And then a week later, you're staring at your account thinking, wait, where did my money go? Yeah, if that's you, this video is going to sting a little, but in a good way. My name is Denver, and I spend way too much time thinking about why people work so hard with money and still don't get ahead. If you're someone who's tried trading, watched YouTube gurus, chased quick wins, but somehow feels like your account never really grows, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. So most people assume, if I'm smarter, faster, and more disciplined, trading should beat investing. Most people believe trading and investing are basically the same thing. One is just faster. Same goal, same skills, just more action. But that assumption is exactly where things go wrong, because trading and investing aren't just different speeds of the same game. They're two completely different games with opposite rules. Look, trading feels smarter. You're active. You're paying attention. You feel in control. Investing feels boring, slow, passive. Here's what most people don't realize. The data completely disagrees with that belief. According to multiple studies, over 80 to 90% of day traders lose money over time. Meanwhile, long-term investors doing almost nothing quietly outperform. That should bother you. Let's use real numbers. Say you have $10,000. As a trader, you aim for 10%, but panic selling, overtrading, and missed days drag returns down to 3 to 4%. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% annually. At 10%, that $10,000 becomes $26K in 10 years, $67K in 20, $174K in 30. Miss just the 10 best days over 20 years, and your returns get cut in half. Trading activates all the worst parts of human psychology. Investing does the opposite. It removes decision-making. The more decisions you make, the worse they get over time. Trading is like sprinting up a down escalator. Investing is riding the escalator up while time does the work. Separate fun money from serious money. Automate investing, no decisions. Measure success by years, not days. The best strategy is the one you can stick with for decades. Trading feels like progress. Investing is progress. Once you understand how money actually grows, you stop trying to beat the market and start letting it work for you.